Meaning of Dulwich College.
Dulwich College.
Dulwich College.
Dulwich College.
Dulwich College. Dulwich College is a coeducational independent school located in Dulwich, a suburb of London. Founded in 1619, it has a long history of providing education for boys, but it became fully coeducational in 2019. The school has a strong academic reputation and is known for its excellent facilities and extracurricular activities, including music and sports. Its alumni include notable figures such as author P.G. Wodehouse and former British Prime Minister, Sir Ernest Shackleton. Overall, Dulwich College is a prestigious educational institution with a rich history and a commitment to academic excellence.